Have you ever wondered what will happen if the earth suddenly hit the brakes and stop spinning? It's a chilling thought, isn't it? Imagine a world where the familiar rhythms of day and night vanish, replaced by chaos and uncertainty. In the exploration, we delve into the hypothetical scenario of Earth's rotation, from monstrous winds to dramatic temperature shifts, from the large amount of tsunamis to the protective shield against the sun's radiation. So buckle up and prepare for a journey into the realm of scientific speculation and imagination. What if Earth stops spinning? If the Earth suddenly stops spinning, it will have many possible consequences for the life as we know it. Here is what will likely to happen. At first, number 1, extreme winds. Imagine the air around Earth is likely a merry-go-round, spinning because Earth is spinning. If Earth suddenly stopped spinning, the air would keep moving fast. This would create super strong winds. Like when you spin a top and suddenly stop it, the air will go crazy, causing massive storms and chaos everywhere. These winds will just blow gently. They'll be incredibly powerful, like a giant fan on turbo mode. They will sweep across the land, tearing down buildings, uprooting trees, and tossing anything not bolted down. It will be like a never-ending hurricane, making it impossible to go outside without being blown away. Number 2, drastic temperature changes. Normally, Earth spins, so different parts get sunlight at different times, making it warm during the day and cooler at night. But if Earth stops spinning, one side will always face the sun like a hot oven, while the other side will be in permanent darkness, freezing cold. This extreme temperature gap will be like living on two different planets. On the sunny side, it will be extremely hot all the time, melting everything in sight. On the dark side, it will be bitterly cold, freezing every solid. Finding the place with just the right temperature to survive will be nearly impossible. Number 3, tectonic activity. Earth's surface isn't still, it moves because of spinning. If it suddenly stopped, it would be like slamming on the brakes in a car. Everything would shake and rumble as the ground tries to adjust to the sudden stop. This would cause earthquakes and volcanoes to erupt, reshaping the landscape. Imagine standing on a giant plate and somebody suddenly yanks it out from under you. That's what will happen to the Earth's crust. It will crack and shift, creating mountains where there were none before, and causing the ground to split open in some places. It will be like living on a constant earthquake zone. Oceans and seas. The oceans are like giant pools of water that slosh around because of Earth's spin. If the Earth's spinning stopped, the water will know what to do and would go wild. Huge waves would form, crashing onto shores and flooding everything in their path. Think of it like stirring a cup of tea and suddenly stopping. The tea keeps moving for a while, splashing over the sides. That's what will happen to the oceans. They will churn and swirl, creating monstrous waves that would engulf coastal areas, washing away cities and towns in their wake. It would be like a never-ending tsunami. Number 5, loss of magnetic field. Earth has a protective shield called magnetic field that keeps harmful radiation from the sun away. This shield is powered by the Earth's spin. If the spinning stopped, the shield would weaken, leaving us vulnerable to the sun's harmful rays. It's like having a force field around Earth that suddenly flickers and fades. Without a protection, the sun radiation would bombard the planet, causing all sorts of problems. It will be like getting a bad sunburn every time you step outside, and over time it could even damage the atmosphere and making it harder to breathe. Number 6, and the last consequences of this topic, that is the life impact. All these changes would make the life on Earth incredibly tough. Plants will not be able to grow, animals will not be able to survive, and humans will struggle to find food and shelter. It will be like living in a never-ending disaster movie where every day is a battle for survival. Imagine trying to live in a world where the weather is always trying to kill you, where the ground is constantly shaking your feet, and where the sky is filled with deadly radiation. It will be a nightmare scenario, and most life on Earth will not be able to stand a chance. We'd have to adapt quickly or face extinction. So these were the possible consequences of this topic, that what if the Earth stops spinning. So make sure you subscribe our channel, and you can share this video with your friends, family, and tell them what will happen next. Namaskaram.